Kobe, no!
This video is not sponsored by Insta 360. I just wanted to use this camera to capture a highly anticipated moment here on the island, a visit to the waterfall. We decided to come early in the morning so we'd have the place to ourselves. I'd seen many pictures online showing lots of kids, parents and families swimming here, so I thought, why not give it a try?
Cum lumea scaldă în apa asta așa de rece, eu nu înțeleg. Eu simt că vine rece. Știi că nu trebuie să te duci acolo. Daddy, what are you doing?
Yeah, it's wet.
Pune, hai fără Robert du-te încolo, te rog. Lasă-l pe Robert la mine, te rog.
Vino pe Robert, Betty. Kobe, come.
When I stepped into the water, I felt a shock of cold like no other. I could barely feel my feet. The smile you saw on my face in the video is mostly from shock.
Yeah.
Good.
Then, out of nowhere, Kobe found a stick and brought it to me, wanting me to throw it into the water. I thought, why not? But that turned out to be the worst idea of the day. The stick sank.
Kobe! 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 Kobe, come. Come, boy, come, Kobe! 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 Da! Kobe, alături! Kobe, alături! Alături, mai repede!
Betty, of course, started yelling at me to go and get him. It wasn't the time to explain why I couldn't do it. When I saw him heading straight for the edge of the waterfall, I was completely lost of words. There was a vine hanging down, and he tried to grab it. Thinking quickly, I shouted, "Kobe, look, I've got the stick." To my surprise, I grabbed the selfie stick from my camera. There was a moment of relief, but after that, Betty kept asking why I didn't go in after him. I explained that after the first dive, I could barely move because it was so cold, and the water was deep enough that I couldn't touch the ground. It would have been very dangerous to try to get Kobe out. I'm just happy, so happy, that everything ended well. Thanks once again to the Insta 360 selfie stick.